Now, let's test our pH. The optimal range for plant growth is 5.8 to 6.2. If your Farmstand isn't running, activate your pump to circulate the water. To test that, you're going to take this vial here, fill it up with water from your Farmstand, and then you're going to put 5 drops of our pH test solution into the vial. Next, shake it up and compare the water's color to the kit. Make sure it's in the acceptable range of orange to yellow. If your pH is above the 5.8 to 6.2 range, you'll need to lower it by adding the pH down. Make sure to retest your pH after you've adjusted your water and make sure it's in the acceptable range. You'll need your pump to be on when adding liquid pH down to help mix it in with the water. If it isn't already running, then start a pump test. You'll add different amounts of liquid pH down depending on your pH levels. For example, if your pH is between 6.3 to 6.5, then we recommend starting with 5 milliliters of pH down using the pipette and adding it to the tank. Or, if your pH is above 6.5, you can draw 10 milliliters of pH down using the pipette and add it to the tank. These recommendations are just starting points, so it's important to take note of how your water reacts to the liquid pH down. Once you know how much or how little liquid pH down that you need to get your water in range, you should dose based on your own experience. Let your pump run for 5 minutes to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed, and then test your pH again, repeating these steps until your pH is within the optimal range.